What's up, YouTube? It's Halo, back with another video. Today I got a surprise for you guys, and some of y'all might know that I'm a barber. Some of y'all might not know, cause I don't really tell people. But yeah, I cut hair, and hey, I got a new clipper, man. Y'all know I'm waving. Y'all know how I am with that. Y'all know I got the drips on me. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, basically I got a new clipper, and like this is new in my arsenal. It's not like a new clipper that just came out, but it's new in my arsenal. So basically I have a cordless Wahl'S Majic clip. And I'm gonna tell you now, I want y'all opinions on this clipper for real. If any barbers watch this video, I need your opinions on this clipper. Because this is a clipper. Just know, that's what I'm doing. Just know. Y'all be ready. I'm sorry about that. You know, I got up and look outside, you know, it's because where I live, it's a lot of junkies. Yeah, it's a lot of crackheads. It's a lot of hobos. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So yeah, let's get into this. Could y'all see me? I think y'all can see me now. Yeah, y'all can see me. Y'all be lying if y'all say y'all can't see me. Y'all can see me. Let me see. Alright. So I did take the cover off of the box that show like a display of the clipper and gives the description. I took that off. Let's get into this, man. Straight up. So you open it, obviously. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna use this for a minute. I'm gonna be honest, like, just in case I need to bag my clipper up. You know, I don't have a barber's bag, which is bad. I'm about to get one soon. And yeah, so I use this bag right now, like that I got. And y'all don't need to see that. I don't gotta show y'all. So then you got the plastic cover to hold the clipper in place and all the utensils. Take that, put that right there. There you go the clipper, man. I'll type knocking stuff down, man. So the clipper is right here. Here you go. This is how it looks. It's cordless, you know. So when you charge it, it got this blue light right here. The blue light is on, and you know if it's fully charged when that light cut off or it starts blinking. It's a blue light. It's right here. The light is blue? Yeah. So yeah, y'all know what I mean. And it says Majic clip, cordless, right here. One thing that I like right off the back is the weight reduction. So with cordless clippers, I heard that the seniors, it feels just like as if the clipper had the cord, something like that. Like that have to mean like the weight is not too far off. Like it's kind of the same. But with this clipper, it's pretty light. You know, it's pretty light. I didn't have the ones with the cord. Never had those before. But this is a pretty light clipper, and it feels great. You know, it got obviously the two indented parts for your finger. I'll put my 2 fingers right there. I'm pretty sure that's how other barbers hold the clipper. Yeah, you got the guard on the razors. You know, and it's pretty nice. So yeah, you take it off. This is a fade guard for any of you guys that don't know. This is a fade guard. So if you get a clipper and it's a guard like this, it's gonna be like pretty flat, and then that's when it's curved, you know. Then obviously you got your screws. But yeah, this is a fade guard. There's another guard. It's called a taper guard. It's like this, but then it's straight down, then it curves again. It's kind of like the whatever. So yeah, the lever is pretty good. Pretty good lever right here. Pretty good. These are not zero gap. I am going to zero gap them. I really don't need to. You know, I might not. I'm gonna be honest. I might not. And then you got the screw. You can put the screwdriver in and loosen the lever. You make it too tight, it won't move. The lever will not open. Every barber knows that. Well, y'all should. But yeah, I really like it though. I like this part. You know, that burgundy type look. It's pretty nice, man. Then obviously this is for if you hang the clipper up, you put it on the hook. You know. So yeah, that's the clipper. I like to be super organized. I put it right back on there, even if it's not going around. I'm putting it right back on there. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting that guard right back on there. You gotta keep your guards up at all times. If you know what I mean. You got a comb. You know, you might do clip over comb. Comb the hair down while you're tapering, fading, all kinds of stuff. You can use this comb. It's a great comb. I do notice that the comb is white. I have some Wahl'S designers, and the comb is black. And also the guards are red. But we ain't getting into that. We're not talking about Wahl'S designers. We're just not. The guards right here, this is number 4 recycle. But I don't know why I said that. I really didn't need to. This is number 1. This is 1/16 guard right here. Then right here, the white one. This is a 3/16. You know, I don't really use 3/16, but some advice for you guys: it will help the fade if you just try to use as much guards as you need, like until the last guard. So like, don't skip any guards if you're going all the way to the 2. Try to fade out go through that whole fading process with probably at least about 4 or 5 guards. I might be over-exaggerating, but that's what I'm about to start doing. I'm about to start being, you know, because you can always improve your game, no matter what you're doing. You can always improve. All right, this is for you guys. Let me open this up. Sorry about that. Okay. Alright. I'm not about to rip all this plastic off. Gotta be doing too much. Okay. So, like I said, they got black guards. Black guards for this clipper. This is a 1 guard. I'm not about to just take all these out. You got your 1 guard. You got your 2. You got an 8. You got a 3. What else? You got a 3 guard. You got a 4. And then you also have a 6. They don't give you a 7. So don't ask for it. They don't give you a 7 guard. Number 7 guard. Because they also don't give you a 9. They don't give you a 10. So it's just like that, you know. You're not gonna get what you want all the time. But nah, yeah, and then you got your brush for the you know, brush out the blade, whatever. Then right here, you got your Wahl clipper oil. You gotta oil your clippers occasionally or often, however you want to do it. Just make sure you oil them blades, please, because you don't want your clippers rusting and then give somebody an infection if you cut them open or something. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, then let's do this sound test, you know? We can do this sound test. For any of y'all that won't know what this is on my arm, this says $1 Million Grind. Right here. I'm from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This is a it's a label, basically. Not a label. The guy he produces music videos. His name is T Glazed It. Go hit him up on Instagram. I'm pretty sure a lot of people don't tell who he is or they don't try to get him known, but I'm gonna help him out. So I appreciate him. He actually just made a video talking about, you know, the city and what we go through as people, because a lot of people they judge us based off what we go through in our city, and you shouldn't do that because every city has their own goods and bads. So don't do that. But yeah, $1 million grind right there. And I gotta grind because I'm in the mill. I live in the mill. You know what I'm saying? I live in the mill. I gotta chase the mill. Whether I leave my city or not, it's $1 million grind. Y'all get it. So yeah, y'all ready for the sound test? Let's go. Man, this clipper is so light. When I tell you, like, it's not light to the point where, of course you don't want just, but it's light to the point where it's comfortable, you know? It's very comfortable. I never used these. Well, yesterday I was playing around. I did open them yesterday. I was playing around, fading hairs on my arm, being an idiot. Y'all know how it is, being an idiot. But yeah, so this is a good clipper, man. Shout out to Wahl'S for making this clipper. I'm pretty sure anybody that still have the clipper likes it. You can't go wrong with this clipper. You really can't. Yeah, y'all comment down below how y'all feel about this clipper. Would y'all get it? Any barbers out there, hit me up. You know, we can give each other advice on fading, all type of stuff. You know, I'm just one of them types. I'm gonna take it in, no matter what. You gotta be respecting. I gotta respect you if you respect me. You heard me? But yeah. All right, y'all. Y'all have a nice rest of y'all day. Happy Saturday. It's a beautiful day outside. I really don't know what I'm doing today. I don't really have plans. Yeah, I don't know, you know. Sometimes you wake up and you don't know what you want to do. You know, you're going through vibe. Thank God for the moments, though. Thank him for the moment. I thank him for this moment right now. You know, I'm not outside. I'm not in the club. I'm not doing nothing. But I'm here telling you guys how I feel about this clip. That really makes me feel good, you know. Cause you know, it's okay to share my thoughts, you know. You know. I got y'all. Look at you cry. You is soft. You cry because you saw me cry. Why you cry? You cry, baby. I'm gonna get you some tissue though. Bye. I'll see you later.